guaranteed at my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void.
Cheater we cannot be happy for.
Yeah, we can, because look at this. Y'all didn't want to trade with me, especially you. You were like, I'm El Salvador, I don't want to trade with no one. So you lost because you were being mean. You didn't want to trade with me either because you're like, I don't got no use for it.
Are you happy? This is what you've been wanting for 3 years.
Yes.
Okay guys, don't mind my hair, don't mind my appearance, but we're moving. I'm just kidding. For the time being, because of they have shut down Houston, majority of Houston. Essentials are still open and you can only go out for essentials. We decided to buy a whole air mattress right here. I'm about to inflate it. We are cleaning out the fridge. We have all our water, we have all our food, basic belongings, such as a ring light, you know. Because we need to film. Well, I just brought it just because, or just in case. I'm not putting that pressure on myself. We swept, we mopped. Now it's just time to put everything away. George is actually back at the apartment getting our outdoor table so that we can have a table. Even though we're literally right next door to my parents' house, I'm sure it's gonna be nice to have a little table for something. We're not light packers. This is literally for a week.
And a half.
A week and a half, but
maybe longer.
And it may be longer. So that's why we decided to do it. And Matthew's birthday is actually on the 27th. We really didn't want to miss that either. He's been asking me for his special pasta that I haven't made in years. So he said that that could be his birthday present. And I'm like, sure. So let's just turn this thing on. And let it do its thing.
Kaido. Kaido. Hey boy, what are you doing? Yeah, tell her, shut up. Tell everybody hello. Tell everybody hello. What are you doing? What are you eating? What are you chewing on?
Put that down, Kaido.
Oh, Chick-fil-A sauce pack? He likes Chick-fil-A sauce. What was that?
I think it's the ice chicken.
Kaido.
See what he has, babe? Something went in his eye.
Oh, maybe. Let me see. No tiene nada. Doesn't look like.
Oh, I got it out. The big puppy! That's the biggest puppy!
So we are at my suegro's house. That is her father's house, her parents' house. And we're here with Kaido boy, reporting live. Kaido, what do you have to say for yourself? No comment today. Okay, very good. No comment. So, yeah, we're here chilling because we didn't want to chill in our a lonely apartment during the shutdown, the quarantine, lockdown, shutdown, whatever it is. We didn't want to chill by ourselves. We wanted to be over here with family and with Kaido. So here we are. We brought a bunch of essentials. We brought chairs. We brought a table. We brought the Nintendo Switch, coffee mugs, yes, and a laptop. What else could you ask for? What else do you need? Nothing. So we also brought food and everything like that. So water, stuff. So a bed. That's good. So yeah, cool. That's it. We play Monopoly every night since we've been here. I have not won one. But it's okay, guys. I'm going to win one.
Matthew, I need to ask you a question.
What?
Okay, so I'm starting a new series on my channel called QUARANTINGZ. What? Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Okay. Do you have any ideas?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Pranks. Pranks on Kaido. Hide and go seek with Kaido. Get a GoPro, and put it on Kaido once we play hide and seek to chase afterwards or whatever. Yeah.
Cool.
And also, we could put her up for adoption.
Malia, pass me an orange.
No orange for you. You try to.
And we should try to record every single lap she has.
My laugh doesn't change that
A
often.
compilation of Molly's laughs.
For real, that should be its own video. What about you, Malia? Any ideas?
No pranks, because I'm gonna be mad if y'all do pranks.
bad.
Ask Heidi. Ask her if she wants to build a snowman.
Hello, sister? Sister, do you want to build a snowman?
Are you gonna get copyrighted?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have any QUARANTINGZ ideas?
Because that's a new word.
No.
Well, you need to come up with some.
Why?
She needs video ideas.
I need video ideas.
I already gave you an idea. I gave you 3 videos.
What was it? I don't remember.
Hair, straightener stuff, and just rambling about random things. Things. We could. I told you about last time about the puzzle pieces.
Oh yeah, when you make puzzles on camera.
At least like 12 hours. Making a puzzle for 12 hours.
I made that video
You
idea.
could do it for since when does Dad leave? Since 7 until 7 at night.
So full 12 hours.
That's not fun. I'm up at like 4 p.m.
Do you have any more ideas?
How about quarantining?
Okay.
In your own room.
I gave you ideas. It's called leaving me alone.
You little jerk. What are you doing?
Playing Minecraft.
I thought you didn't like Minecraft anymore.
It was Fortnite.
Oh. I have another video idea.
Gaming.
Matthew teaches me how to play Minecraft.
You're gonna lose all my levels.
You should do a scary game.
When I die,
A
I'll let
scary game?
You should get Outlast.
you can't go out.
So yes, would you teach me how to game?
Sure.
Yay! Ooh, what if I teach you how to make up?
No,
Why not?
because I don't want to.
What's this? Ooh, you know what? I should make a video of random things I find in my brother's room.
You're not gonna find anything random.
This is freaking random. What is this?
Cybertron.
Oh my god.
This isn't random. This is Cybertron.
Oh my god.
You're mean.
That's random. Whoa.
Yeah, my boxes can't fit in there. I need a bigger
Bigger
space.
closet.
Yeah, bigger closet.
Oh my god. Where are they all at? Right here?
Yeah.
Can't see anything. Whoa.
That's not enough.
He would have so many more if he hadn't thrown them away all those years ago.
Because those were already broken, messed up, had dirt on them. These ones are really new. And I still have a couple survivors that still look new. Like that green
Do you
one.
have any QUARANTINGZ ideas?
Oh, we can paint. Did you get us painting? Oh yeah, you did.
A little bit.
We can learn how to cook a new recipe.
Is that your new hat?
Yes, my new hat for my birthday
That I got.
that Matthew got for me.
Those are all your ideas?
I can come up with another one, maybe. Alright guys, so we are going to be uploading a little bit more frequently. And also, we're going to be not uploading the weekly vlogs anymore. We're just going to be uploading pretty much every other day.
For the time being.
For the time being, while we're in quarantine, we have nothing else to do. So we're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff, quarantining stuff. Anyway, hope you like this video. Please leave a like down below and comment. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.